Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. As we head into the nighttime hours, we are starting to see a little change in that radar, as we'll go over in a moment. But let's get to the forecast amount of rain for your Thursday. So between now and Thursday, we're going to expect an area from the Southern Valley into the Lake of the Woods area to get another quarter of an inch to an inch in a few places, and a trace to a third of an inch, maybe up into the northwest portion of Minnesota and northeast North Dakota, where it's been fairly dry throughout the day. Let's get to the numbers so far. Estimated rainfall amounts have shifted a little bit with tonight's event. Some of the heaviest rain we had all day happened this evening in Fargo, pushing us to about 4/10 of an inch here. We have 1 to 2 inches reported down in Richland County up through Lakes Country, including Otter Tail County, Becker County, and that now snuck up into the Mahnomen area as well as near Fosston. So some heavy rainfall totals anywhere you see the yellows, 1 to 2 inches, and some folks approaching in Parker's Prairie that 3-inch mark as the rain began yesterday. Now the showers do continue, but notice their aerial coverage is shrinking down. The amount of yellow that you're seeing on here shrinking down. It remains dry to the north and west of Hutch's Line there. So we take a look at the yellow on the radar, some orange. That's sneaking its way from northern Roberts County and diagonaling its way through Richland County into northern Wilkin County at this hour. Notice over Fargo we still have showers, but not as much of the yellow and orange over us, which means it's not quite as heavy. Well, we do have heavier rains north of Naytawash now, moving in that northeasterly direction towards Fosston. Another gully washer there. Bagley, you're right in the middle of that. And up in Pennington and Red Lake counties, we have some showers that are pushing north and east out of the Star area. But these run into that dry air, and well, that cutoff is mighty sharp. That's going to continue as well. Right now, temperatures in the 40s for most, 50 in Grand Forks, 43 degrees in Gwinnett, 46 Jamestown. Babe the Blue Ox with the old umbrella, and 43 degrees this hour. Here's a look at that camera down at the Dakota Magic Casino. Sideways rain with a lot of wind, some pretty gusty trash can blowing wind out there as we head into the evening hours. 15-mile-per-hour north winds in Fargo, but gusts at times have been quite robust, mid-40s here. Hour-by-hour forecast. Look at this thing dry up with most of the heaviest rain shifting northward, north of Lake of the Woods, starting out our day near 40 degrees, cloudy and breezy. Then as we go through the first half, it stays dry for most of us, but in the afternoon we start to see redeveloping showers in our eastern and southern counties, and it pushes back into Grand Forks and into Roseau County, maybe even as far west as Kittson County. And as we go through the afternoon and evening, the rain shower chances continue. And again, where you see the greens here, we likely could get some areas with an inch of rain on top of what we've gotten so far. Warmer temperatures out to the west where things remain dry, not necessarily hot, breezy, cloudy with passing showers, particularly after, say, 4 p.m. We'll pick up some more of that additional precipitation, making these ducks pretty happy. These mallards swimming around in some water. They'll have more to swim around in. Thanks, Sherry, for your photo. Rainy weather Thursday, particularly late. Friday, another round of showers in the same area. So dry out to the west during these times. 59 and a break on Saturday. You do have a chance for some precipitation beginning very late Sunday after a quiet weekend of weather. Monday, though, this thing looks like it could be cold. Coming up at the end of the show, I'll have details on this. We could have some snowfall across the area. It could actually accumulate for some, but it's moisture, and it could be where we need it most.
I guess we'll take it however we can get it. Thanks.
You bet.
Detroit likes